This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. If your Miele dishwasher is not cleaning well, it could be due to this middle arm having some food debris caught in it. I'm sorry, this bottom spray arm having food debris caught in it. So you just pull the bottom arm straight up and take a look at it. You can also look at this middle arm to see if there's anything caught in these little holes, these little jets. Sometimes food debris gets caught in there and then it can't spray the water on the dishes. So there's a little bit caught in one of these jets. Sometimes you can just reach in with your fingers and grab it. You can also use a pair of pliers, need one of those pliers to grab it. If it won't come out, the other option is to use like a straightened paper clip or some pointy object to push the debris further into the arm. And then you can use water to help wash out that debris. So in this case, I couldn't get it out with the pliers, so I'm going to push it back into the spray arm. And then I'll turn the spray arm upside down. I'll pour water into it through this port. And then I'll turn it upside down and then rotate it back and forth. And that'll carry the debris out and make it fall out the center tube. And then on the bottom here, there's also another port that's more, or another opening that's more rectangular in shape. And this one is really dirty, so I'm using a little pick here to reach in and clean out all this material. And then the same thing, I'll use water to flush it out. And if you get all these clean, there's 3 arms on the Miele dishwasher, this bottom one in the middle, and actually one on the top. If you get them all clean, there's a good chance your dishes are going to come out a lot cleaner because they'll be able to spray with high pressure water on more of your dishes and utensils. But if these are all blocked up, then your dishwasher, regardless of what kind of soap you use, regardless of which cycle, it just won't clean very well. So every now and then, maybe once a month, you want to take a look at these spray arms, make sure they're clear. And probably the easiest thing to do is just push in the debris and then turn the arm upside down, fill it with water, rotate it back and forth so the debris can just fall right out. Should just take you a couple of minutes.
And then as you run it back and forth, yeah, some stuff fall out.
And you can shake it too. If there's something heavy like a piece of glass or a seed, shaking it will help work it loose. And again, the water can help push it out. When you're done, just push it back in and you will have a dishwasher that will clean better. So thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.